Are you tired of skipping breakfast because you're always on the go? Well, we've got the solution for you. Introducing the ultimate healthy breakfast wrap recipe for busy mornings. This delicious breakfast wrap is not only quick and easy to make, but it's also packed with nutrients to fuel your day. To start, grab a whole grain wrap and spread a thin layer of creamy avocado on it. This will provide you with healthy fats and fiber to keep you full. Next, add a handful of fresh spinach for a boost of vitamins and minerals. Then, top it off with some sliced turkey breast for a good source of protein to help you stay satisfied until lunchtime. Roll up the wrap tightly and you're ready to go. It's that simple. This breakfast wrap is perfect for those hectic mornings when you don't have time to sit down and eat. You can easily take it with you and enjoy it on the run. So say goodbye to skipping breakfast and hello to a nutritious and delicious start to your day with our healthy breakfast wrap recipe. Give it a try and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips.